Alright, let's see how hard this is to get off. Yeah, yeah, that's more like it. Yeah. You wouldn't believe how much beating I put on this thing, and it was that stupid little bolt. So if you guys have problems getting these things off, don't pry on the casting. Just drill the bolts out. Look at that. That's perfect. Huh. I'll be damned. Yeah, that's actually in halfway decent shape. And there's all my little chippies, so I will get on with the vacuuming. And you know what? I'm looking at something right here. Notice something missing between these two cylinders? Like the head gasket? You know what? Even the crosshatch on this is in good shape. Also very interesting. Look at my combustion chambers. Dirty, dirty, cleaner, super clean. Usually when you have one this clean, that means you have a leak in your gasket and you're getting water in there. Those little steam molecules like to just blow those carbon crusties right off. So I bet you any money that this thing just had a crapped out head gasket. That's good. That makes me very happy. I vacuumed all the chips and junk out of this thing, and lo and behold, in the bottom one of the cylinders I find this little wadded up, folded up, crumpled up piece of fire ring from my gasket. So that's what it was on this engine. Stupid head gasket. That's actually a good thing. That means this is a minor repair. We just need to get a gasket kit and run this thing through the hot tank and get all the little chippy doos out of it and bolt it back together. Yeah, even that crosshatch is not in bad shape. Cool. Alright, now we're going to get this old crappy head gasket off of here, and you can see our busted off studs here. Or any wonder why I couldn't get this head off without difficulty? Now, I'm going to try to grab onto these, a pair of vice grips, and twist them out of here. But if that doesn't work, I still have it in the drill press, so I can just center these and then get an easy out in there. So options, got some options.